long story short, we're getting a van. We were looking at vans a couple years ago thinking we were ready, and we should have bought one then, because a van then that was $37,000 this year is over $50,000. So Ron was on an auction site looking, and he found a Ford Transit van. The only downfall was it was in Florida. So now we're prepping to go to Florida because he bid on it and won. He also grabbed an older vehicle that he wants to use for his daily driver, so that'll be fun.
Last thing we'll do is we'll just get it all cleared off before we check it.
The hitch hole is covered. We have to scrape it out. Be able to put the ball in there so we can hook up the trailer. Good to go.
Stop! Go figure. It won't move. I needed to go that way. She's frozen good. Oh damn. The pin is free, but this is not moving with it. Goodness gracious. That's how far it needs to go. Okay. Yeah.
That's in all the way. Well, damn, but they're working. All right, check the brakes. There you going. Yeah, I mean they're old, but they're fine. All right, left. Damn, she knows what she's doing.
It's like she's done this before.
Do left blinker again. We're missing. There's a plug out on that light specifically, and I'm not gonna fuck with it. But
Okay.
that's fine. All right.
So tires look good, and you have a spare.
All right. We just need to salt this because this is not gonna fit in there to get heated up.
Okay.
So you guys salt that. I'm gonna check the air pressure, and then once that's melted, we'll get that all scooped off. Oh my God, what a nightmare.
My family, my fans, and the money is the only thing that count. Dig that.
Nah, bitch, I can't get my own shit. Auction registration.
Yeah, we probably have to go in there to get the paperwork.
Drop off and pick up.
Okay. What you got there?
We got a 2015 Transit and a 94 Ford Explorer.
Oh, you got any paperwork? You haven't been inside yet?
No.
Alright. Let's go ahead and pull in by the Crown Vics down there.
Yep.
Right, you decide and then pause or whatever. And just go in there and talk to them people in there and they'll give you some paperwork and you can go from there, bud.
Okay.
All right, this is it. This is one of them.
There's no key.
Unless it's like up in the visor.
No.
Okay.
Mine's rough.
It'll
Do a walk around?
fit right in.
Yeah. Broke that off.
Okay.
I don't see any dents.
Got a nice little setup in there.
What I can tell is probably something right there.
They were already going around cutting keys out of the vehicles, so we only have the Explorer keys now. We're gonna test that out and see how it runs. They're tracking down the van keys now, and then we're gonna test that one. Here we go. Oh, nice, it started right up. You want me to pop the ramps down? Okay. Let me make sure you're lined up.
Tires spinning on the rim for being flat. You might have to put it in full drive.
Come this way. Slow. I think so. Yeah, you have a lot more room on this side. Ooh, that's exhaust.
Yeah, that's the deal. We're getting plugs.
You know what it sounds like to me actually?
Exhaust manifold.
It's either a bad exhaust leak or it sounds like on the old 460, the 5.4s, like a fucking spark plug out of the head and it's blowing compression out.
Oh, yeah.
The van is too rough to drive all the way from here to Gainesville, so we're going to switch the tire on the Explorer to the spare and put the van on the trailer and just get the Explorer to Gainesville, and we're going to try to fix the van to still be able to drive it home. We'll see how it goes.
Push it forward. Right. They won't move out. No, there you go.
First try.
You're moved all the way out. Set it down there and we'll have to push it forward.
I believe it's still
Keep the pressure on it and go backwards.
I'll put that. I'll just put that one on there.
What?
I'll fucking handle it later.
Push on a little bit.
Yeah, this is not. I'm not gonna put that on because
You ruined the stud. If you can come back slightly that way. Yep. Slow. Okay, nice.
These are your plugs. There's 3 on each side. It's off. That one's off. That one's off. Go to the other side. They're all off.
How do they usually? Oh,
That
that just stays bolted on.
yeah, it's supposed to be airtight. We might be able to just find a Napa and get the bolts for those.
That'd be nice.
Why would they have them off?
Maybe they,
Hopefully there wasn't another problem.
yeah.
Maybe they changed them and forgot.
Well, one of them, that back one looks new, so it's possible.
Yeah, that's new.
What about on this side?
Those 3 are new.
So then, yeah, it's possible.
That's crazy. Or heat hook. I was gonna hook to that bracket.
We just need it on long enough to. Are these the bolts?
Oh shit, they are.
Oh, I got the video.
Oh my god.
What are the chances?
Go grab my socket set. I'll put them in.
Okay.
Doesn't want to tighten. Just if they've had it open long enough, that could be why. The other would be flood damage, but I don't think that don't make sense. They were fucking with these. Maybe, I mean, this was probably a fleet vehicle. They probably just sent it over to auction. Can't get that to bite. Off is because every single one of these is snapped off in the block. This one's there. Just come here. That's the hole, and there's a little chunk there. So I bet you every single one is like that. Because I can't get this one in there, so I bet you that one's in there deep. Let's check this one. Oh, that one's going in. So maybe we get like 5 cylinders going. We'll see. We'll get as much in as we can and then get it up on the trailer. And then we can tell the shop exactly what it is, because I can't tap anything. They just need to drill it out and then put a new. So it is. That one's good.
How many bolts did you get in now?
That's just the first one.
Oh.
If you want to go get the tag for both of them, I can keep doing these.
Okay.
I'll check all of them, because that's 2 that just went in fine, so maybe they didn't snap them all off. Also, remind me to put the e-brake on. Okay, that's good. Is it?
Oh yeah. So we're gonna lead. We have to find a gas station and get some power steering fluid into this. We have the van all loaded up, strapped down, chained down. Tires are good. So here we go.
So, before we got down here, we called the auction place to make sure that they would have the titles available, because our trailer can only fit one vehicle. The lady on the phone told us she was pretty sure we would be able to pick up the title, and then we could register one of them and drive them back. We got down there and we gave them our paperwork, and they said there's no way that we are getting a title, and it's probably going to take 10 to 14 days, and we were SOL. We were ready to stay down here in Florida because we just made the terrible trip, which we got no video of. But we made the trip down, so we were going to stay down here until the titles are ready, but they ended up getting us, we had to get insurance, but we got temporary tags, transport tags, for both the van and the Explorer. So it worked out, and I think we're actually ahead of schedule. See if this is the right cap for the power steering.
Oh my god.
We don't know if it's leaking anywhere, but we'll put this in there just in case. But let me make sure this fits so I don't just blow all that out. What are the chances they had that?
You should read the bottle, make sure you don't dump it all in there.
Hold on, Winston. Nice and messy. I like to pour it all over the exhaust manifold. Oh, that don't look good, whatever it was in there. Who knows what else has been in there. So.
What about Kath? Is she okay? She got her right on. She's good.
I was trying to get over. When I was getting over, when I was hitting my brake, that's when I had sat there. We came right to the side. I was trying to slow down and get over. Because I was coming up to get that wheel section right here.
Alright. You hurt?
No, I'm good. I was just making sure she was alright.
Okay.
I was calling my girl to get me the same stuff.
now, dude. She towed that for 1,300 miles. It's so funny.
She's gonna hear that in this clip.
She's going through cities and everything, backing up in parking lots and shit. So we just made the 1,300 mile journey. Well, it was more than that. We drove down and drove back. We got the Explorer. We didn't end up getting the title from the auction company. They did give us a temporary transfer tag, which we did not put on. So we drove this 1,300 miles without getting pulled over. There was no plate, no registration, no inspection, did not get pulled over. Don't know how that happened. But we got the van. Catherine drove from Tampa all the way back. Big ass rig. She was driving through cities. Zero problems. She did a great job. But we finally got the van home. And now we can take it off and take a look.